एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग किस्सा है। अमेरिका में एक हॉस्पिटल था जहाँ बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स थे। Suddenly they realized that they had no beds for patients anymore. So they built tents in the garden outside the hospital. उन्होंने देखा just after a week, all the patients who were in the tents in the garden outside started to recover at a very fast pace, much more than the patients who were indoors. And they kept observing this with all the patients who were shifted in the tents outside. They realized it was the outdoors, the color green, being in the midst of nature. That's how powerful the outdoor space is. Hello and welcome to Mindful Mondays. Today we are outdoors. Now there are many ways how we can raise our vibration. Externally हम मेकअप लगाते हैं, फ्लैशी कपड़े पहनते हैं, लेकिन इंटरनली हम अपनी वाइब्रेशन को किस तरह एलिवेट करें? Well, there's gratitude, there's mindfulness, there's kindness, there's charity work, there's chanting, there's prayer work, music, dancing, and also outdoors. रिसर्च का ये कहना है that the color green is therapeutic. अगर हम सिर्फ हरे रंग के बारे में सिर्फ सोचें, our cortisol levels, that is our stress hormones, immediately start to come down. We start to feel more alive, more renewed, filled with vibrant energy. So be it a walk in the park, or a garden, or a stroll in the forest, our relationships seem to improve when we are connected with Mother Earth on a daily basis. We have better focus, better attention. We become much more flexible, much more patient. We also have control over our temper, यानी कि हमें गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी नहीं आएगा, और अगर आएगा, we will learn how to mindfully control it and observe it. Being in the nature also makes us much more friendly, much more cooperative. We also happen to trust people when we're outdoors. आपने देखा होगा कि शहरों में we're always concerned about meeting strangers. लेकिन when we go into the countryside, in the midst of nature, हमें अच्छा लगता है नए नए लोगों से मिलना, उनकी कहानियाँ सुनना, उनकी ज़िंदगी के बारे में सुनना. That's how powerful nature is. Nature is not just plants and trees and the color green. It is Mother Earth, the greatest mother. इतना ही नहीं, consistently being in touch with nature will reduce your depression, your anxiety, your nervousness, that hey, I don't fit into this world. You'll realize चाहे आपके पास दोस्त हो या ना हो, the world is actually yours. That's how powerful nature is. अब देखिए, हम पूरी ज़िंदगी लगा देते हैं अच्छा घर बनाने में, अच्छी गाड़ियाँ खरीदने में, अच्छे कपड़े पहनने में. But the true essence of life is right here in the midst of nature. For true happiness and good health, आप सबसे पुराने कपड़े पहनिए, सबसे पुराने जूते पहनिए ताकि आपको फिक्र ना हो कि खराब हो जाएंगे. And go to a park close by, or a garden, or a lake close by, or the jungles. दौड़ लगाइए, लेट जाइए. And you will see how you truly connect with nature. And you will see कि आपकी वाइब्रेशंस किस तरह बढ़ती हैं. लोग आपके पास आएंगे और कहेंगे आप इतने खुश लग रहे हैं. You're looking so youthful. You're looking so happy. So wishing you a mindful and a happy week ahead, hopefully in the midst of nature.